Hi everybody. Apparently in my painting video I forgot to show you what it looked like totally unmasked. So let's just do a real quick walk around before I get into the subject of today's video. So there's the front. I didn't change the top and the bottom. I'm still looking for the color changing paint, but I get an idea. I'll get out here and that's how it came out on here. Much nicer job than when I rolled it on. Spraying it is definitely the way to go. People talk about the possible overspray, but I did it on a very calm day. There was a little bit of a breeze, but not much. And about to get an idea of the amount of overspray, I did not mask off this tire, and that's how much paint got on it. Not very much. So all in all, I think it came out a real nice job. And you know, whether you want to put a top coat on, top coat would have protected this a little longer, but if it was inside where the masking would stay on and didn't get damp from dew and blow off, then that would have been one thing. But to have to remask this thing where it took a couple days and 4 rolls of tape, yeah, I'm good. All right, so let's get on to what I'm doing in today's video. All right, so today's video is Jax is upgrading to a newer model of a Weboost, so he's giving me his old one, which is going to be nice. He's going to be doing a review of the newer model, and I'm not sure when that's going to be up, but keep watching his channel. Anyway, the way these get mounted generally is to a mirror. Like, for instance, it's got a clamp. There's another piece that goes on the other side. It would clamp on like that, and it's that's how my CB antenna is mounted over there on the other side. But you see how that mirror comes out, where this one does not. And if I mount it here, the antenna is going to stick out sideways, none of which is a good thing. So what I'm going to do instead is mount the bracket right here just before it curves. So I got the antenna will be going up straight, and the strongest way to do this, if I used self-tapping screws, it might they might pull out. They're just not a good thing for this because of all the sideway forces and stuff. So what I'm going to use is riv nuts, and this is something I didn't even know about till last year. My buddy Fritz introduced me to them, and I bought a set, and they look like this. They're basically a nut that goes in as though it was a rivet. And I don't know if you can see down in there, there's threads way down in there, but the top part is collapsible. There's a tool to crimp these in. So what I gotta do is mark the spots, drill some holes big enough for this to go in, and then use the tool to put the rib nuts in, and then I will run these in with a little Loctite, and they should stay forever. So let me mark this and get some holes drilled, and then I'll show you how the rib nut gun works. All right, this is the tool that crimps the rib nuts. It's also called blind nuts, and there's some other thing. And it puts them in so they end up like that, nice, tight. And I am not gonna get into This whole video is not how to adjust this. There are a mess of them out there on YouTube, and how to adjust this tool, how to get it all set up. Basically, I'm just showing you that this is what I'm using. So I will show you how it works. It's the rib nut, goes in the hole. Just put the handles together, unscrew it. And there you go, nice tight. It crimps it inside. It's not gonna, and putting the rib nut on the next one on is just screw it on until it's firm. Do it all over again. Nice way to mount things like that. And I just got to run the nuts in there, or the bolts in there, and that'll be mounted. And we move on to the next step. So we moved the old antenna over here, threaded it through. Thank you, Jax.
Hey, you're welcome.
And I'll show you where it is inside and whether or not this is doing any good. All right, that antenna wire runs into this Me Weboost drive, and that in turn comes up. I've got it up through the wire chase to right above the light here. There's an internal antenna. Figured tucking it up in the light's a good spot. Then I ran the power down in, hooked it into the circuit breakers. Now, has it helped at all? Yes, kinda. Right now, right here, I've been getting on my Verizon, I get 1 bar, and it comes and goes. As soon as I hooked the Me Weboost up, it went up to 2 bars. 2 bars 4G. Oh, it just jumped up to 3, and I hadn't seen that since I've been here. So I don't know if you can see that, but so it is definitely making a difference. If I do a speed check, and I just did a speed check. This is Verizon. I was getting 1 bar and it would cut in and out. Now I'm getting 2, sometimes 3 bars, but it's a solid 2 now. But if you take a look at what it tests out for speed, it's still crap. You know, 0.37 Mbps for downloads and 0.26 for uploads. Basically, it's telling me that I'm a 1 out of 5 for doing anything. However, when I had just 1 bar, I was cutting in and out. I hook into, Jax has got AT&T using the newer Me Weboost that he just put in, and he's getting real good response times, or you know, his connection is really good. So I've been using his Wi-Fi. He's got a nice unlimited, so we're not overloading it. But that's it for this one. Nothing really fancy. I'm just, thanks, Jax. I'm fine with having a hand-me-down. It definitely makes things a little better for me. And when I get out to someplace with a little bit better signal, this should help a lot. So if you want to see a comparison of the older Me Weboost, which is what I have, and the new one, keep your eye on Jax's channel. He, whenever he gets around to editing it, he will have one up. All right, and he'll have a lot more information. All right, well, I'll see you down the road, and safe travels, my friends. Bye.
Well, he jumped off the wagon